With a smartphone device like this one, you should not be broke in 2025. And I feel like a lot of us in our generation are very, very lucky for the fact that we have the internet, we have the smartphone, and we can leverage on these two things to make money online. If you recharge data every day, every week, or every month, you should not be broke in 2025 because there are so many things that you can do on the internet with your smartphone to make money online. Now, I'm going to be listing a few for you in this video, and I'm also going to be telling you the ones I think that you can do as a beginner and the one I think you can do as an intermediate or as an expert. First and foremost, you need to understand that you buying data on your smartphone is you feeding your smartphone. So if you are feeding your smartphone should be able to feed you in return, or at least feed itself. I mean, there are some people that will tell you, oh, I don't have money to buy data. I don't have money to buy data to come online to update my WhatsApp status, my Facebook, my Instagram, etc. Why don't you make that smartphone pay for itself? I mean, you spend so much money to buy smartphone devices. The latest iPhone will come out and you want to buy it. The latest Tecno, Infinix, any phone, Redmi will come out and you want to buy the latest gadgets. Why are you not thinking of ways you can use to make money online with that latest gadget that you just spent your hard-earned money to buy to make money online for yourself? Even if it's not for yourself, at least for the phone, to be buying data for the phone, because you cannot just be feeding the data. I mean, you cannot just be feeding the phone without the phone doing anything for you in return. Now, one of the things that you can actually do online is Amazon KDP. This is a side also you can do if you have some skills, and if you don't have those skills, you can equally learn it. Now, I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video for a fuller tutorial on Amazon KDP. If you know you are interested in Amazon KDP, go and watch it and learn. Amazon KDP is something you can do. Publish books on Amazon and get paid in dollars. See, you don't even need to be an author. You don't even need to know how to write books. Funny enough, that's like the trick. But then again, it's not as easy as that. It's not as simple as that. On this channel, I don't sugarcoat things for you. There are some basic things you must know. And if you have some skills already, it will be easier for you. Now, this I'm going to call it like an intermediate thing. If you know you are a stack, like you don't even know anything about online, you don't even know how to operate some apps or some things, you don't have any online skill, this might be a little bit difficult for you, but not impossible to do, because these are skills you can learn and there are trainings available for you to learn. Okay, so don't fret, don't be scared. If this is what you really want to do, don't be scared. Just go and watch that fuller tutorial. I'm going to link it in the description of this video. Now, another thing you can do, affiliate marketing. I know you've heard about affiliate marketing 1,001 times and you're like, affiliate marketing, that I did it and this one, that my friend did it, that one is a scam job, is a this job. My dear, is not so. You just need to learn about it. Now, with affiliate marketing as well, you need to have some skills in place. But then again, a beginner can still do affiliate marketing, because affiliate marketing is a thing whereby as you are learning, okay, you are implementing, and through that implementing, you are earning. As you are learning, you are implementing. Through that implementing, you are earning. Unlike for Amazon KDP, you might not be able to implement and earn at the same time, especially if you don't have some skills already. It might be frustrating to you and you're like, oh my God, this thing is too difficult. It's not so difficult. It's just because you're not really used to all those things yet. Do you understand? But for affiliate marketing, as you are learning, you can be implementing, and in the process of implementing, you can actually earn. Okay, now this is not really for complete beginners like that, especially beginners that don't have time to learn, or beginners that are always like, oh, I don't have this, I don't have time for this. They don't have patience, something like that. Beginners that don't have patience to learn. Okay, so you can actually do affiliate marketing with your smartphone and make money. I'm also going to leave in the description of this video a link to a fuller affiliate marketing training. You can go and watch it to learn more about affiliate marketing. Now, let's talk about another one that you can do, which is actually content creation. Now, a lot of you might be like, content creation as well. Well, yes, content creation, because a lot of social media pages these days, they pay you for being a content creator. Aside from that, individuals these days hire content creators, like businesses, individuals, even celebrities. They hire content creators to actually create content for them. So you can be the one in front of the camera creating the content for them, or you can be the one behind the camera creating the content for them. So it depends on the part that you want to choose. Is it the one of in front of the camera or the one of the back of the camera? But this is more like a pro thing, because even if you are starting out as a beginner, for content creation, don't expect to make money when you are starting. I mean, for every business, you cannot really expect to make money when you are just starting. Do you understand? Because you have to put in some effort into it to learn, master some things, then you can then confidently be making money from it. Now, for content creation, either the platform where you are putting your content, they will start paying you after they've seen your efforts. Take, for instance, on TikTok, if you are using a UK TikTok account, because TikTok does not pay Nigerians, or even Facebook, even if it's Facebook Nigeria account or any country account, as long as you've hit a particular number of followers, maybe they say a particular watch hour, a particular this and that, they start paying you. YouTube, for instance, as well, as long as you've hit a particular subscriber, a particular watch hour, YouTube will start paying you. Do you understand? That one is different. Now, for some people to hit that number of followers and watch hours may be difficult. If you're using a UK TikTok account, you need to have 10,000 followers, have, I think, 100k views per videos and all those stuff before TikTok will start paying you. Let's be realistic. How many people can get that 10k followers easily? How many people will be able to get that 100k views easily? It's not going to be easy. Not a lot of people will be able to do that, okay? But there are people on that TikTok with less than 10,000 followers, as a matter of fact, with less than 1,000 followers, making money on TikTok. That's because maybe they are creating content for some people, or their content is actually giving them money indirectly, not necessarily the platform paying them. I don't know if you understand what I mean, but if this is something you would love to do, content creation is something you should really look into, because trust me, as a content creator, either the one in front of the camera or the one behind the camera, there's money in it for you. And if you want to start to do smartphone photography, videography, you can take my smartphone photography and videography training to learn about the basics of actually using your smartphone to take videos, take pictures, edit videos, edit pictures for yourself first, and before you know it, for clients that will actually pay you to edit pictures for them, edit videos for them, shoot pictures for them, shoot videos for them with your smartphone. The course is currently selling at a discounted rate of just 5,000 naira. If you'd love to get it, I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video. Go ahead and check it out, and hopefully you catch the discount fee. Grab it. You would even be getting my photo presets for free, 20 photo presets at that, to help your photo editing, you know, to make it a lot more easier for you. So go and grab it, learn it. It's a skill that you can use for your personal business. Even as a business owner, maybe you're a business owner, you want to start selling something online, you need content creation, because content creation is what people used to do content marketing these days. You need to be out there promoting your business, and you don't know how to do it. You know, you're a content creator indirectly by virtue of you being a business owner, because you have to create content to sell your business. Now remember, the platform may not pay you for creating that content as a content creator for your business to sell your products, but people will buy your products depending on how you present it to them very well, right? Now, are you making money with your content or not? Yes, you are making money with your content. So content creation, take it seriously. If you would love to take the training, the link will be in the description of this video. Now, the final one I'm going to say in this video, because I don't want this video to be too long, is going to be online surveys. Now, online surveys is for complete total beginners. Like, you don't have any online skill. The only thing you need, let me just be honest with you, just know how to read and write. Do you understand? At least understand English language. When they ask you questions, understand, because it has to do with answering questions. And the good thing about this thing is that there's no right answer, there's no wrong answer. It's just like filling a questionnaire, and you know, when they bring the questionnaire to you, you choose something that is like your opinion, and then you get paid for doing so. And guess what? You're not going to be getting paid in your local currency. You're going to be getting paid in pounds, dollars, euros, as the case may be. So if this is something you want to do, you also need to learn about it. So if you have a smartphone, I see no reason why you shouldn't be doing online surveys, for the fact that it's not even going to cost you anything to do it. Okay, so there's going to be a tutorial in the description of this video as well for online surveys. You might want to go click on it, watch it, learn about it, and start it. I even gave some examples of some survey sites that you can do in that particular video. Okay, go and watch, go and learn, and start taking online surveys and making money with your smartphone. You can make £5, £10, sometimes £20 weekly, you know, as a beginner, and that money is really going to serve you in this current economy that we are right now. Trust me, it's going to carry some bills and, you know, lift some burden off you. So if that is what you're looking into, go right down to the description of this video and go check it out. I also have a paid community for the online survey, okay, where you get to be in the community of like minds of people taking online surveys as well like you, get access to coaching and mentorship, and get access to the full training where you learn the do's and don'ts and so many other insider things in online survey. It's going to cost you just 7,500 naira. So if you would love to learn about it, just let me know in the comment section. I'm going to forward you the details, or you see this number showing on your screen, copy it, save it, send me a message on WhatsApp, and I'll definitely put you through on how to go about it. So that's about that, because like I said, I don't want this video to be too long. If you have any questions, feel free to drop your questions in the comment section. And for those of you seeing me for the very first time, my name is Mandy Rachel, a digital marketing consultant, and right here on my YouTube channel, I show you ways you can actually leverage on your smartphone to start making money online. So if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, now is the time for you to tap on that subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, tap on the bell icon right beside it, turn on post notifications for all of my videos, so that when I drop new videos, you are going to be the first to know. Also, share this video with your friends. There is love and blessing in sharing. So share this video with your friends. Let them also come and subscribe to this channel, and, you know, learn from all of the good things that we're learning on this channel. Learn how to leverage their smartphone to make money online. Learn about a lot of things they can do to make money online for themselves, because what's the point of you being the only person balling in your circle of friends? It makes zero sense. The one that makes sense is you and your friends, one at the waka with convoy. You understand what I talk? So share this video with them, share this channel with them, let them come and join the community, let them come and join the family. And if you're a content creator, you would love to join my WhatsApp community for your content, accountability, and all of that stuff, I'm going to leave the link to the WhatsApp in the description of this video. Click on it to join. Okay, if you would love to join, it's absolutely free to join. Okay, so if you would love to join, click on it and join, and I'll see you in my WhatsApp community. And I think I've said more than enough. That's for that about that. Let me just end the video here. Until next time when I come your way again, keep being amazing, and I love you. Bye.